Do you hear that background noise? That background noise is the preparation for solving one of these underwater. Because I'm not quite in shape yet and stuff for swim team, I've decided just to go with my bathtub. I'm going to fill it up pretty high, but not high enough that when I get in it doesn't displace too much and go everywhere. But what's going to happen is I'm going to use my crappy Rubik's brand. That's actually pretty good for Rubik's brand. It's pretty well broken in and whatnot. And I'm going to use that in the pool, or the thing, because my Guhong, I don't need to ruin it any more than it already is. I'm only going to be using a 3x3 for now until I get more cubes in the future. The reason I'm not doing it in an actual pool is 1, I don't have the resources, 2, I'm not quite in shape yet, and 3, by the time I'm in shape, which will be in, I'd say 2 to 3 weeks from now, I'll be in crazy shape from swimming because it's hardcore and last week of school right now. I'm doing it, by the time I'm in shape, more public pools will be open that I can go and do it in. I will be using my trusty GoPro to film, and I have, of course, the standard water casing not with me right now, but I will be using it, and I'll record in 720p. Obviously this is not in 720p, but actually I'll record in full HD just for this. I will see you in the pool. Nah, not pool, bathtub. Alright, so I've got everything set up here. Got it pretty much full. I've got some towels, and I've got the cube. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up underwater. Too full in here. I'm going to drop the cube now. I'm going to put the cube in the camera and underwater at the same time, and then I'm probably going to drain a little bit of water because of this placement here. Yeah! V-perm killed me though. Getting the worst PLLs right now, and that's when I'm getting really out of breath. watching, guys. I'll see you guys later. And if you have any requests for videos like this, send them to me, comments. I'll be doing another one of these in about a month, but in a real cool, and maybe with a different cube and bigger cubes. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.